Hey kids, brace yourselves for the wackiest adventure you won't believe. Once upon a time, a sneezing dragon with a charming grin lived at the edge of the forest. This dragon wasn't any ordinary dragon. His sneezes were magical. One day, his sneeze turned all the sheep in the village into chickens. The villagers laughed and scratched their heads, unsure of what to do next. Another sneeze, and the chickens were singing opera. In the end, the dragon and villagers worked together, creating the funniest, happiest village ever.